Student life is the life when a person is free from the responsibilities. It is the phase when a student can get education from the school or college, but getting right knowledge out of syllabus is also necessary to choose best career in his life. It is the phase when a student needs to learn different skills such as communication skills to empower him. He or she needs to learn how to find their strengths to get a growth in life. In this video, I will recommend you the top 5 books that needs to be read by you. If you read these top 5 books, then it will give you a great shout out in your success. Whatever your goal may be, these books will help you to succeed in any goal of your life. The first book that is Strengths Finder. This book is very beneficial for those people or students who wants to find their inner strengths. This book will help you to find your talent and how can focus upon them. The strength can also be your skill. This book is easy to read for everyone, but I highly recommend this book to students who are studying in school or college. You should read this book to find and enhance your strengths. So, read this book, find your strengths, and by monetizing your strengths or talents, makes your parents proud. Move on to the second book, that is College to Career. As the name suggests, this book helps you to make your career. This book is also one of the best book that gives you the knowledge about the skills that need in a job. This book taught you the skills that any school or college has not taught to us. It also teaches you the necessary details of the competition for job seekers. These details will help you to what should you can fill in your resume for offline as well as for online jobs. The next book is about communication. The quick and easy way to effective communication is the name of book. Communication is the most important skill that everyone should learn. If you learn the way how to communicate with people, then your chances of success in every field increases by 100%. This book teaches you the points of communication in details like your voice modulation, your expressions, your body language, etc. The verbal communication talks less than your non-verbal communication. So, if you want to improve your communication skills from student life, then this book is for you. It is short and easy to read. This book helps you a lot how to talk with your friends, relatives, professional persons, with colleagues, with elders, or even also in a job interview. So, start reading this book from today and improve your communication skills. The third book, that is Power of Habit, written by Charles Duhigg. This book is one of the best book for self-improvement. This book can change your bad habits. It tells us about how habit works. What is the reason of a habit? How can we change our habits? The habits resemble so much in our behavior. So if your habits are good, your behavior also becomes great. If you want to hear the book summary of Power of Habit, check the video in I button. I am sure this book summary helps you a lot. So, move on to the next book, that is The Power of Self-Discipline by Brian Tracy. This book will gives you the knowledge about the self-discipline, that is how to control your mind to do the things that pushes you towards your goals. The famous quote about self-discipline is said, self-discipline is the ability to do what you should do, when you should do it, whether you feel like it or not. So the pain of self-discipline is temporary, but the greatness is permanent. You should read this book if you want to control your willpower. It is the best book for students as well as for everyone. At last, I want to add one more book to this video related to the subjects of school or college. The book is A Mind for Numbers. A Mind for Numbers is the book that focuses on the skill how to excel at math and science. If you are scoring low or weak at math as well as science, then you must read this book. This book focuses on illusions of learning, preventing procrastination. So, if you want to top in maths and science, then this book is specially for you. That's enough for this video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. We will meet in next video soon. Till then, read these books and utilize your time.